Hello guys, today we are going to learn dance on the song Neel Digante from the movie Gothro. So the first step is a music. We are going to leave the first portion of the music, which is about 15 counts, and we are going to start from the second portion of the music. Now you keep your hands like this out and just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how do you go about it? You start with your left leg. 1, cross, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then by keeping your hands here like this, straight, you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 in this. See the leg, knee. This knee is slightly bent, this knee is bent, and this is on your toes. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, when the music ends, the song starts with Kichu Shopno, Kichu Meghla. So in Kichu Shopno, you will do 1. See, your hands are joined like this, and you do it, keep it here as if you are lying down on a pillow, right? And remember not to do it sideways because then your face will not be visible. You take the front corner. You can do it right or left. I am doing it keeping my right corner to facing my right corner, right? So 1, and look at the feet how they are stretched out. 1, okay, 2. So Kichu Shopno, Kichu Meghla. Meghla, it's very easy. You take your hand, do 1, and take this, do 2. Okay, open, not completely like this, not jazz hands, but slightly open. You're showing lots of clouds. So make la. The other hand is next to your thighs, just normal. And your feet goes 1, 2. So Kichu Meghla. Then come together. How do you open a book? So Poi Toy Dhulo Laga. So you're opening the book and dusting it. So Boi Toy Dhulo Laga. The next step is Kichu Ichche Shara Dichche. So what is it? What do you desire? Oh, I love this. Oh, I love that. So Kichu Ichche Shara Dichche. Knocking on the door. So Shara Dichche. Ei Boshanto Rat Jaga. Okay, so how do you do this? It's Kichu Ichche. Just do this. So you place your left hand, palm facing the ground, below your right elbow, and your right elbow is next to your cheek. And remember to look up in the up corner. Okay, otherwise this pose will not come because it's a very simple step. So Kichu Ichche, as if you are dreaming about something that you want. So Kichu Ichche. How's the leg? This is bent, this is straight. So, and it's a little, I'm not standing straight, I'm standing a little corner. Okay, so Kichu Ichche Shara Dichche. In Shara Dichche, from here we did step and knocking. This hand is just normal, just leave it normal, nothing. Shara Dichche. Then A, this Boshanto Rat together Jaga. Okay, so 1, 2, open your, from here you take This mudra, 2-finger mudra, actually 3-finger mudra, like this, and open and heel here. So Vashantarat Jaga. After Jaga, there is a music piece. In that, you bring your hands down and do 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Then the same step, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, which we did in the beginning. Then you come in the center and you do just body and body. Alright. So the next step is Momochitte. How do you do Momochitte? 1, 2. So step and out. Momochitte. Pash Hitte. Okay. So how do you do? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, how are the hands? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, remember this is parallel to your body. Just bend here and your mudras are like this, facing the ceiling, not completely straight but slightly like this. Okay, so it's like Momochitte Pash Phirte. Alright, then there is a Polash Phuler Kapu. So what do you do? It's a very simple step. 1, 2, 3. So keep your hands like this as if you're holding something like a ball or something like this. Keep it like this and do twist, twist, twist. So first your feet are together. 1, 2, 3. So did you see my transition? 1, 2, 3. This is the feet. So Polash Phuler Kapu. Okay, then so how does it go? 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's the same dipping step that I had taught you in all the previous dances. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Phool Chirte. You have a plate. You are picking flowers. Phool Chirte. So how do you do? Flower picking. Just change your leg. So put your weight on this leg first and put your weight on that. So Phool Chirte. After Phool Chirte, it's Tomar Kothai Bhabbo. So you did 1 and 2. From here you do Shudhu Tomar Kothai Bhabbo. So nothing, you were here. From here you took your legs back. Your hands are like this. Okay, so right hand is bent here like this, facing again the right back corner. Okay, not the front but the back corner. And you do Tomar, nothing. 1, 2. So straight leg, heel. Then Bhabbo. Again straight, heel. So it is Shudhu Tomar Kothai Bhabbo. Alright. Then Haji Hawa. Hawa is what? Pick. Pick. Do 1 and 2. So open, close, open, close. So Hawa, Viporoa. Then turn, শুধু সন্ধে, then পাখির ঝাঁক. Okay, what is this? হাওয়া বেপরোয়া শুধু সন্ধে. Then you can also change your leg if it is easier. You can do সন্ধে পাখির ঝাঁক. Okay, then বিকেল আর বেল ফুল হৃদ মাঝারে থাক. So বিকেল আর বেল ফুল হৃদ মাঝারে থাক. So how do you do this? After this you do 1, 2, keep your leg down and turn, and from here you do open, then you do together belful, then you do Ridh Majhare. You do a slight chest bump, okay, and Ridh Majhare. 1. You can also not turn if you don't think there is enough time. The song is pretty fast, so you can just do Ridh Majhare Thak. But if you can, it will be very nice. So heel, 2, 3, just 3 steps. It's very fast. So Ridh Majhare Thak. And Neel Digante. This I have actually kept the same steps as the movie because it was very beautiful. So you do Neel Digante. Okay, so what do you do? 1, 2, 3 together. Okay, so Neel Digante. From here I do sing a 2-finger mudra like this and open like this to your shoulder level. Okay, so you did Neel Digante. Then এই ফুলের আগুন লাগলো. Okay, লাগলো নীল দিগন্তে. So how do you do? Once you end here, you said এই ফুলের. Again the same step. 1, then you do down. In down your legs are like this, and then you do up. Okay, then 1, 2-finger mudra, down and up, 3 and 4, and your legs come together like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this you've made like a, as if you've tied a knot. So you've taken it from here. I have done a turn and opened it. Alright. Then you do from the end where you ended here, Boshante. So you bring this hand down and this hand down like this. So you do Boshante. This is also very simple. I am not kept it complicated. So 1, 2. So from here you do this as if both the hands are interacting with each other and burning the flame of Boshante. So Boshante 2, this is fast. So if you can't do it twice, you can do it once, but it looks nice if you do it twice. So you do Boshante সৌরভের শিখা জাগলো. Okay, so what is this? 1, 2. Okay. Then 3, 4. So this is Boshonte. Then the same step but together, like standing together. Shorabhe Shikha Jag Lo. This is the foot movements. Okay. Now if you join them with the hands or with just the hands, Boshonte Shorabhe. This finger mudra only, 2 finger mudra, 1 and 2. See, this hand is like this, 2. So it is Boshonte Shorabhe Shikha Jaglo. So this way, Jaglo. Then you do Neel Digante. You from here you twist your hand, bring both your hands down your body and slowly go up Neel Digante.